What is up, guys? I'm here today to show you how to get this rainbow cut crease. It was actually a lot easier than I thought it would be, just a lot of blending. So if you would like to see how to get this look, just keep watching. I'm taking my clean Morphe M518. And I'm gonna start off with my outer corner here. I'm taking this true purple color. I don't know which one I want to use. I'm gonna dip a little bit into both. I don't have a lot on my brush, and I'm just taking this on the outer corner, really lightly. Taking this in the outer corner, and I'm holding the brush a little bit more far away from the whatever this is. Holding it like a little bit farther out just so I can be as light as possible, because I do want this to be super blended. I don't want this to look heavy at all. Okay, taking another Morphe M518, and I'm gonna dip it into, I'm gonna mix these two colors, so this like fuchsia color and this pink color, and blend that into the purple. Now I'm taking a Morphe M441, and I'm just feeling mixing, so actually I'm just gonna stay in this one right here and blending that into the pink. It's a little lighter than I want it to be, so I am gonna go into that other orange. And then I'm going into this yellow right here. Then I'm taking a big fluffy brush. So now I'm gonna go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And this time I'm gonna be using the Luxie 221 flat definer brush. This is stressful. I think my eyes are just wonky. So now I'm going back into each shade that I used, and I'm gonna brighten up the crease area. This will help clean it up too. Came round, my heart would never be much faster before you came. Then I'm taking the Morphe M433, dipping it into that deep purple shade down there, and placing this in the outer third. The Milani Prime Shield. This is a face primer, mattifying and pore minimizing, oil free. I press this really deep into my T-zone where all my pores are, and then I kind of just spread it everywhere else. I've never used this foundation before, but I'm pretty excited to try it. It's the Revlon Colorstay Full Cover Foundation in the shade 210, which is shell beige, sand beige. Very beige. This looks thick. This looks really thick. For this one, I'm taking the Real Techniques blender and blending it all out. I need masks because I am a full coverage girl. This is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. That is as good as I'm gonna get it. And I'm gonna be using the Allure in Jasmine Brown Define. I think these are Define. Look at this. Next, I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm gonna run this under my eyes, on my chin. and blending that in with my Real Techniques blender. Taking my Soap and Glory One Heck of a Blot pressed powder, and I'm running this through it pretty heavily and planting it on top of all of my concealer. I got a new butter bronzer. I can actually show you what it looks like because it's not all busted now. See? I always get scared like a little bit after doing my eyeshadow. Like, man, this isn't gonna look good. And then like once everything kind of comes together, I'm like, okay, it doesn't look that bad. I'm taking my Morphe R10 into my Lorac Pro Contour palette in this deep contour shade. All of my highlights broke. And I'm just lightly running this brush on my cheekbones, like on the deeps of my the deep parts of my cheek. You add dark shades where you want the part of your face to be sunken in, and then you add the light shade where you want the part of your face to be brought out. So when you're contouring like this, you're going to put the dark under your cheekbone, and then you're gonna put the light on top of your cheekbone. That way both the combination together will make your cheeks like pop, and it will make you look more thin in the face. And then this helps cast a shadow on your jawline to hide, to define your jawline. My mom is helping me. I'm probably gonna put her in it. Her whispers, it defines your jawline. I don't know where my, where's my blush brush? Hello. So I take my Morphe M530 with my Milani Baked Blush. This is gorgeous. This is in the shade Rose Doro. It's like D apostrophe Oro. Doro. Just run this through. Apples of my cheeks. This is like the prettiest blush. It has like little flakes of gold in it. Isn't that pretty? It's like kind of apricot-y. Now I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlight again. You will probably see me use this highlighter every single time because I think it's the best. I'm not gonna put that in there. If I look at you, it means
looking at me.
To finish my eyes, I'm gonna take this like teal color and I'm running this under my lash line. Taking my Morphe M213, I'm dipping this into my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk again, and I'm just gonna line my waterline, my lower waterline with it again. How did I get blue up here? I just like press down or brush down with it. And it feels great. You're like one of those like dance moms, like pageant moms. Then I'm gonna do the same thing that I always do, and that's take a black eyeshadow on top of the lash band to hide the glue. I comb this through my eyelashes again just to combine, like fuse my eyelashes with the falsies that I have on. My mom says I should do a gloss. So this is the NYX lip liner in Natural. It's this color. The NYX Lingerie Gloss. This is in the shade Sable. I like that a lot. That's a really good combination. If you guys go to any store that has NYX, get the Sable lip liner and, or no, the natural lip liner and the Sable lip gloss. Lock Gliss.
Beautiful as always.
Aww. So nice. Alright, and that is it. I'm pretty happy with the way this turned out. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, share with your friends. I'd really appreciate it. And until next time, bye.